Hi guys, welcome back to Island Girl Recipes. This is episode 4 and today we are making Cuban beans. This is an amazing dish, it's plant-based, it's my favourite, so here we go. So to start with, I have soaked these beans overnight and just boil them until they are soft with a couple litres of water. If you're using tin can ones, you can skip this step, but you need to cook these beans until they are soft and tender. So whilst the beans are cooking, we're going to prepare our seasonings. Firstly, I'm going to chop some onion. Next, we have some garlic. Then our sweet green pepper. Then Scotch bonnet. So all the seasonings are chopped now, they're ready to go in the pan. So I've added all the fresh seasonings. Now we're going to add our thyme, some tomato paste, dried oregano, I also added some cumin off camera. So next, we're going to add some more water to the pot. I've put enough in here to just cover the beans, and then we're going to leave them to simmer again for about another 45 minutes. But they're cooked when they're really soft and basically falling apart and super rich and thick. Also going to add in my bay leaves, which I forgot to put in earlier. I've added a little bit more water as well because it had dried out. I'm going to leave it to simmer for a further 30 minutes and then they should be ready to serve. So our beans are cooked, they're nice and thick and luxurious. So I'm going to serve you some white rice, some plantain that I've fried, and some lovely ripe avocado. So that's it. Super easy, fresh, healthy, plant-based, suitable for everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. Until the next time, peace and love.